Welcome my friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be learning how to make a logo with the letter D. Okay, so as always we will start by creating our artboard, and after that we will use our ellipse tool to create a circle. Now with our pen tool we will create a line. Go to Object, Expand, and hit OK. Right now I'm trying to make the line longer. Okay. It's not going how I want it to go, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so right now we already have the shape, so we're going to group it, and right now we are going to play with the colors a little bit. Okay, so we will be using gradient, okay, so now I'm trying to make the whole D into, right now it's a letter, but I want it to be like, yeah, a layer. Okay, okay, so if you have difficulties, don't worry, there are a lot of ways to fix those difficulties. Just SM. Okay, so for the gradient we will be using black and red. Change everything to the color red. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so right now we will try to make the shapes of the letter so that it kind of looks like it's a 3D letter. Just play with it a little bit until you think, yeah, that's it. Okay. So if you have problems by doing this, don't worry, just comment your problem down below and I will try to help you. Okay, you will always find problems. You'll always okay, so right now I'm making the second shadow. just looking what's going to work best for me. I think if we separate everything, that will work. Yeah. Then with our direct selection tool, we can delete the pieces we don't need. So yeah, once again, if you have any questions, if you have a question, just comment down below and I will try to help you, okay? Don't forget to select your layer. I think I need to ungroup it, yeah. Okay, nice. Yes. Change the gradient, change the shadow of it a little bit. Just experiment a little bit, because only so you will get better at Illustrator or Photoshop or whatever Adobe program you love, okay? Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button.